Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix mouse scroll while going up and down. This is the problem to step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step. For we will get to open the device manager. You will see the this is the nursery for the you will set it for the mouse and other point device. You will going to click to the set it for the ELN plans device, then click to the update driver. You will click to first select it, okay. That this is the successful. Then next for same type, you will click to the update. Then this is already installed, okay. Then you will click to close the device manager. You will next to open the settings. Click to the mouse on the device. This is the you will click to the devices. Click to the mouse. You will see the mouse pointer speed. You will click to select, okay. Then roll the mouse wheel to scroll. You will click to the multiple lines at this time. You will click to change, okay. Then next for you will set it for the your speed, okay. You will click to the speed, okay. Then you will set it to you will see the scroll inactive the window in overall our theme. Then click to on to you will click to off, okay. Then next step for you will click to the additional mouse options. Click to the always you will change it, okay. This is the virtual scrolling for you will click to on to the following numbers of lines that time. This is the 13. Then you will click to select horizontal scrolling for the you will change the 3. Then get to click to apply, okay. Then next for this is already installed it, okay. Then first step is not working, only we click to the properties, then click to the drivers. Get this is the not supported to you will get uninstalled to you will reinstall, okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment, then thank you for watching.